Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a dry spicy pigeon curry that is very easy to make. I've named it wood pigeon kosha since I've used the Bengali Kosha method of cooking meat. In Hindi, I've named it Sukha Masaledar Kabootar. Here I have two wild wood pigeons which are readily available in the UK. As you can see, I've left the skins on so that the meat remains moist. I'll also need one large red onion sliced and some crushed ginger and garlic, one diced large tomato, 2 bay leaves, 2 dry red chilies, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, some cloves, 1 black cardamom, a mace blade, a cinnamon stick, and 1 tablespoon crushed coriander seeds. I'll also need 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin, and coriander powder. Put some ghee or clarified butter in a cast iron pot. Then add the whole spices into the pot and fry for a minute. Then add the sliced onions, ginger and garlic into the pot and fry them well on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the pigeons into the pot and sear them well on all sides. Get a bit of color on them. Then add the powdered spices into the pot along with a bit of water. Blend everything together, scraping off all the spices from the bottom of the pot. Fry for a minute or two. Then add the chopped tomatoes into the pot and mix them in. Add salt according to your taste and continue frying and stirring the pot till the tomatoes are pulpy and well mashed. Then add enough water to cook the pigeons. Scrape off any masala sticking to the side and the bottom of the pot. Cover and cook on low flame for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, open the lid and check the pigeons. They are tender, but we need to dry out the gravy and make it thicker so that it is a kosha or a dry curry. And you can see that the gravy has reduced quite a bit and is thick or sukha, and our kosha wood pigeon is ready. Let's plate up our delicious pigeon kosha with its dry spicy gravy. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander and serve with chapatis or rotis. Wood pigeon kosha is a very easy but wonderfully flavorful dish. Give this simple, dry but delicious recipe a try. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Enjoy!